Hello, my name is Aman Kural Sakenula. I am 16 years old, and today I would like to explain why I want to study in China and why I chose logistics as my future field. For me, education is not just about getting a degree. It is about preparing for the future and taking responsibility even at my age. I understand that the world depends on global trade and strong economic connections between countries. That is why I chose logistics. Logistics may seem invisible, but it shapes our everyday life, every product. Why we ask from technology to food reaches us because of supply chains, transport systems, and careful planning. I want to understand how these systems work on a global level and how they connect different countries. China is one. China is one the world leaders in the trade and transportation. It is infrastructure, high-speed railways, ports, and the logistics technologies are among the most advanced in the world. Advanced in the world. By studying China, I will learn from real large-scale experience. I want to study in an environment where logistics is not only theory but a powerful part of the national economy. Bye.